Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'd like to do something a little different. Today we're going to start a new series, something that I think I'm going to call The Road to Gold, where I take you through my process getting Gold Eclipse. Really quickly before we begin, as always, if you like the video, a like is appreciated, and if you subscribe as well, it tells YouTube to show my videos to more people, and it tells me that you like my content. But without further ado, let's get into it. So you can see I already have Gold Eclipse 1. I have Eclipse 2 done on most characters and Eclipse 8 done on Mercenary and Acrid. I think today we're just going to do some nice relaxing Huntress runs. Got a shrine in the mountain right off the bat. Maybe get a few extra items, that'd be cool. Coffee? I do love myself some coffee. Movement items. Everything you could ever want. Oh my god, in the Scorpion, it's a god run. A bunch of movement items in Scorpion Stage 1. If I throw this, holy moly. The only thing that would make this stage better now is a scrapper. Oh, that's a lot of multi-shops. I really wish I had a credit card. Although I guess I can't complain with the items I'm getting this run so far. Chrono Bauble 2, best item in the game. Oh my god. Perfect time to get scammed. No scam yet. Blessed. Oh. Thank you, Shrine of Chance. I really hate vagrants. Oh my god, I just got baited. Oh my god, and regenerating scrap. It's a god run. Yeah, let's get these Shrines of Chance. I don't remember seeing a scrapper, so I guess I'm not getting coffee. Well, no scam today. Ooh. At least we have the mobility. The large stage doesn't hurt as much. Oh jeez. God bless blocked. Never punished. Cleansing pool, man, I should have taken the nuke portal on stage 1. PSG. Uh-oh. It's all falling apart. It's a good thing this is only Eclipse 3. I would have lost all of my health on Eclipse 8. Oh my god, and a crowbar printer too? I need a scrapper. Man, my dash is going so far, I have so much movement speed. Okay, wisp prevention methods unlocked. Oh, there's my scrapper. Alright, now where's my green printer for my regenerating scrap? More goat hoofs? Oh, I love the movement. It's so good. It's so good. Give me more. Oh my god, and a crowbar. Double lunar coin for no reason. This run is blessed. Alright, should be able to pick up the last 3 items all the way up there. And then it's teleporter time. Whoops. Fat-fingered my blink there for a second. Oh my god, these green items suck. My god, that's a lot of pests. I don't know if I ever really am excited for a Queen's Land. It's mostly just another way for Mithrix to kill me. How did every single one of those miss? I am getting scammed. And no green printer for my regenerating scap. I'm gonna go get a couple crowbars real quick. Give me that juicy damage. And we're on to the next one. Oh, I hate this stage. Oh no. Unbelievable. What did I just say about throwing? With such god items. We run it back. Oh man, I missed my movement speed items already. This game feels so much better to play when you have a bunch of movement speed items. Alright, not bad so far. Crowbar, backup mag, and the scrapper, all in stage 1. Oh wow, another void item. Void cradle? Is that what they're called? Well, I'm not on Eclipse 8, so I'm not taking the permanent damage yet. Oh boy. Look at the little lizards. Would have been nice to have a cautious slug or something. Get a little bit of health back before I use that void cradle. Okay. I always take strafe. Watch this be the one time I play Huntress and I get a bunch of crit. Wongus! Alright, there's all the healing we need for our entire run. Boy, it feels good not having to do all the void cradles at the end, like on Eclipse 8. Not a huge fan of Void Scent Flame, but free item. It'll be good for those flying bastards. AP rounds. And there was a scrapper, I remember. Another vagrant! No, thank you. And another regenerating scrap. Alright. I may have thrown the last good run, but I won't throw this one. Probably. Oh wait, there is a coffee printer on this stage too. I think I take 3 coffee here instead of 3 AP rounds. Alright, where was that scrapper? Most of scrapper. Where have you gone? We can get rid of that too. Gotta get my move fast juice. Very nice, very nice. Pretty good run so far. The last run was also good and I ruined it. Oh my gosh, I am gonna get the crit this time. Got my buyer's regret on strafe right now. Well, I guess we're not there yet. Too early to tell. 30% is the cutoff, and I only have 15 right now. Voids and Flame putting in work right now in the crowd control department. Getting scammed. Ooh, green printer, and I have 2 regenerating scrap. That's 2 free items right there. And it's something good. I'll take my free anti-mythics items. Okay. Ooh, FMP! Ceremonial daggers in my future, perhaps? Goat hoof, yes, sir. We are schmovin'. Hope will please give me my scorpion back. I know I threw, but I'll make it up to you. No, there's no way. There is no way. I'm taking Ego 100s. That sounds awful. Oh, Lord of mercy. 25 crit. Flurry gang rise up. Get out of here, Bellman. Wasted opportunity to call the brass contraption a bell end. No scrapper, which makes me a little sad, but it's okay. I've been spooned enough so far. Oh, there's 2 of them. I didn't even realize. Ow. No laser beam. What? I think that's illegal. Get out of here. Okay, scrapper. Ooh, what do I even have to scrap? Razor wire 2, I guess. Time to pray for my shadow spleen. Ooh. For free. Hello. More crit glasses! Really regretting not taking flurry now. A green printer would be kind of nice. Do I see more glasses? Yes, sir. Now we're getting them crits. Ignition tank. Ignition tank with no gasoline. JK. Oh yeah, plenty of garbage white items to scrap. Alright, is that it? Looks like it. Shadow spleen? Okay. Woo! Too high! Too high! My dash is too long. Hey, gasoline ignition tank time. You know, honestly, after how sloppy I played that, I don't think I deserve the Shadow Spleen. No green printer for my regenerating scrap either. Alright, just don't take me to Sundered Grove. Siren's Call. Well, it's not Sundered Grove. I don't know if I'll be killing Awu if this guy's giving me this much trouble. Unless I get some good damage items sometime soon. That just was not it. If my repulsion plate is wisp protection, my teddy bears can be my throw protection. Oh lord. I might need a few more of those. Ow. Ooh, AGG! Yeah, a couple more of those ATG procs and maybe this is a dub. maybe some bands. I know I said I didn't know if I could fight Awu, but I guess I'm gonna fight Awu anyway. Ooh! Did you see all of those missiles? ICBM, please. What is that? Where'd it go? I've been scammed! That is definitely illegal. New plan. Make Awu fight a void creature. More crit, thank you. Now we're getting some damage. Ow. Probably deserve to die there as well. Now imagine all of this work, all for wake-up vultures. That's fine, I guess. Oh boy. I still don't have any bands. Okay, there's a mending. Brainstocks time. Ow. Pain. Shit. I have made some very poor decisions. Is it fighting my turret? He is? It's the turret's winning! Unbelievable. It's kind of depressing. I've done this whole run basically without an equipment. Well, that changes now. I still don't have enough money. 40-minute stage 5 is kind of sad. Everything as scaled. can't say anything. Some bands would be kind of nice here. Oh. Well, I guess that's a last resort. I would prefer any of the other bands. Oh no. Well, Brainstocks is kind of nice for clearing out stage 5. It's just not going to be very useful for Mythics. Oh, do we take it? I think we leave it. We'll see, if we get more ATGs, I think I want to keep the ATGs. But if we can't, I guess I'll take the shrimp. Goat hoof printer. I know it keeps saying I don't have enough damage, but movement speed is the best way to not get hit. How many do I have now? 5 goat hoof, 5 mocha. I think we'll leave it. Green printer. One of the worst green items in the game. Oh, and I have energy drink now too. Uh-oh. Bands! Beautiful. We got the Ronalds, time for the Kiaras. Come on, Hopu. Just one Kiara. Oh, you're giving me our monster teeth. Oh boy. Sure, there's no way this could possibly go wrong. Oh my god, I am actually getting scammed. Someone report this shrine to the authorities. $4,000. God bless. And it wasn't even worth it. More crit glasses, that was worth it. Oh, Lord. Ew. I do not like these things. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, Lord. I may have made a mistake. If I lose another run to falling off of something, I'm going to be very unhappy. Okay. God bless, it worked out. Okay. Oh my god. Well, that's a boss item for sure. Couldn't get my shadows clean, but I can get the defense nucleus. Oh. Teleports behind you. Nothing personnel kit. That's 7 green scrap. No, we're getting rid of the shipping form. Never trust the soup. "56-minute commencement." Oh my lord, this is going to be a long Mithrix fight. Boy, my aim is great. Whew! Oh, I hate these things. Oh, they're so scary. Try to keep the shield from regenning. Ow. Ow. I hate these things. I didn't even see him. Where did he come from? They're cheating. Oh. 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 Alright. Alien head it is, I guess. Alien head and Reaper Scythe. Depressing soup moment. Oh wait, the scythe was up there too, wasn't it? I'm intelligent. Do we risk it for the biscuit? Actually, that was super worth I only really want the scythe for the crit chance anyway. Two alien heads, it's like purity, but good. Oh my god, another one of those assholes again. They should actually just be illegal. Just terrible. Oh my... Well, everybody, that'll be all for today's episode of Road to Gold. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you think. Let me know what you think about the series, the game, my atrocious gameplay today. Whatever you think would make a great comment. I love reading them and responding to them. It's my favorite part of making these videos. But regardless, I hope all of you have a wonderful day.